What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What I like to call the hidden gem. Some of you have discovered it. Some of you will discover it in time. Why do I call it the hidden gem? Because we are making callouts and this channel is probably making money. I've seen it in the comments. I've seen some of you guys are actually starting to become traders and not spectators. And that's what I like to see, because we can make money in these markets every single day. What we do is we look for setups that we like, we look for supports, resistance, patterns, whatever it takes, and then we call them out and we do our DD and we look into what we got. So I just wanted to go over some of the call outs that have been made, where they have went. I hope some of you guys took these. Drop it in the comments if you have taken any of these and been successful. We called out Mara at $5.54. Did you make 100%? You could have. We called out Riot at $4.24. Did you make an awesome gain there of a high at 688? That is at least a 50% banger right there. Tesla and SPY, we were calling out today that the setups looked weak. They were trying to defy the odds. They could not do it. Did you get SPY puts or Tesla puts right there at the time that video came out? If you did, that was 100 to 200% gains on SPY and Tesla. You no doubt made some money. We don't care what direction the market goes, as long as we're playing the direction that the market's going. We don't fight the trend. We just play what is in front of us. Very easy. If you are playing boxed, since we've been talking about it, it set a base around $1.60. I know some of you guys were fortunate enough to hit right around $1.60 your first go round. If you are trading this like you should be, and I know some of you are because I see it in the comments, you are up money right now. Right? You're not sitting here waiting for this thing to do the gap fill to $5. You're not waiting for it to go to the moon. You're just making your money while you can. So is your position almost free? Probably for some of you. I would assume so. It's had plenty of moves. We like the moves. We know it pulls back. We like the moves. We know it pulls back. It doesn't necessarily matter how low your average is, as long as you're waiting for those pullbacks and you're playing with a stop loss and you're keeping an eye on your account and you don't let it go against you. Like I say, you always can re-enter the play, and I think that's what a lot of you guys are picking up on, is it's not about just sitting here holding, watching the markets, watching everybody around you make money while you sit there and you sit there and you sit there. You're actively trading, you're making money day after day, which is what it is all about. Now with runs like these guys, we don't chase. Remember, you watch for the pullbacks to some sort of support that's going to come in here. Another one that was called out was NOG. I said that this one is going to be probably a 4, 8, 12-week play. We do know that it has a price target of 35. It doesn't mean that it has to get to 35, but if you were in this, you're definitely up a couple of bucks already. And it's just a slow burner. I don't know what it's going to do or where it's going to go. I don't even know if it's going to hit 35, but the way it's trending, got back here on top of support. So awesome. But those minor stocks, they made their run, they made their move, they just took off. Everything is looking so good that we're working on with this. So keep an eye on boxed. As always, you guys know what to do. You guys have a trading plan. Stick with your trading plan. Go ahead and keep those stop losses in mind or set. You can have a mental stop loss, or you can put it in so that you don't even have to think twice. If it triggers, and you wait and you play it again. So I just wanted to come in, let you guys know that we are making some solid call outs, solid money making opportunities, trying to either save money, right, by calling out what it looks like as far as where things are going to the downside, or we're calling out where they could potentially run to on the upside. Everything's looking really good. Tesla has earnings this evening, so what are we going to do with Tesla? I'm probably going to sit that out. It's a little bit risky. If you want to strangle or straddle it, you know, risk is in your hands. I don't know which way that's going to go. So I did play my Tesla put whenever I was talking about it in the last video, and I cashed out. I took my money right there. See it? If you haven't seen it before, make money, take money. That's what it's all about. If you see that chance to take the money, you take it. You don't leave it there. You don't get greedy. We don't get greedy. It's all about those wins. Consistent wins. Build your account. that allows you to, either invest into something for the long term if you want while the market is not doing the greatest, or you can continue to use that as momentum trading fuel to go ahead and play more or whatever you want. But let's just talk about boxed briefly, because I was saying, some of you hit the 160 and then you ran it a couple of times, which was awesome. Very good play. Now, what we want to do is just watch the trend from here, because it's not like you are going to get that 160 entry again. Maybe you will, maybe you won't, but it doesn't really matter because it's just consistent gains. If you hit this pullback, that's another solid run. You wait for the pullback, you wait for it to base, get a little bit of strength, you make that another solid run. So everything is looking really good. I hope that there's at least beneficial items you guys are picking up on, something that you can apply into your trading strategy, some different techniques. I know it's different than what a lot of us are maybe hearing, just the buy, hold, sit there and watch it. No, actively trade it. You want to be a trader, then you got to trade. You want to be a spectator, okay, you can be a spectator. But you guys are doing awesome. Thank you so much for all of the views that you guys are throwing out there, the comments. I love the comments, good or bad, it doesn't matter. I try to respond to all of you. It is what it is. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Doesn't matter. But anyway, if you don't mind, guys, thank you for coming back, watching another one. Drop a like if you will. As always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.